Hey beauties, welcome back again to BG's Airwaves TV, your number one channel of choice when it comes to black women hairstyles. If you are new here, you are highly welcome, and to my existing subscribers, thank you so much for your loyalty and I really appreciate that. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's video. If you have been searching for the best natural hairstyles for 4C hair, you are in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you trending, protective and stylish looks that keep your hair healthy while giving you that gorgeous glow. Let's start with short natural hairstyles. 4C hair is versatile and styles like the teeny weeny afro, finger coils and tapered cuts are not only low maintenance but also super stylish. These looks highlight your natural beauty and can be accessorized with hair clips or colorful wraps. For those of you who love protective hairstyles for 4C hair, you can try mini twist, bantu knots, flat twist, and cornrows. These styles help retain moisture, reduce breakage, and are perfect if you are growing your natural hair. If you are looking for natural hairstyles you can wear to work, school or business meetings, go for slicked back puffs, braided buns, or low twist outs. These styles are neat, elegant and professional while still celebrating your natural texture. So which of these natural hairstyles for 4C hair is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BJ's Airwaves TV, and turn on notifications for more hair content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.